I'm Isabel Thornton. I'm the Executive Director of Restoration Housing. We are in the former Fellowship Hall of Trinity United Methodist Church. This is an annex building. The worship hall to my right, we're restoring in kind and not really changing anything. In the annex that we're in, that was built 100 years ago, we're putting in 15 units of elderly affordable housing. Our mission is twofold. So we're reinvesting in usually buildings that are vacant, often blighted. This one was not, but there are projects that need reinvestment or repurposing of some kind. So we do a big construction overhaul, and that's one side of our mission. And then once the project is finished and operational, we own and operate the buildings as affordable housing. So we're the landlord and the manager and doing all the maintenance and tenant relations. We have several grants from the city that have helped this project come to fruition. The first one, of course, is CDBG, which is Community Development Block Grant funding. It's housing funding that we use for every single one of our projects. It's really critical for our business model. We use foundational funding comes from historic tax credits and CDBG for all the work that we do. And then after we get those funds secured, we supplement it with smaller foundation gifts and fundraising. But those are the two pillars. We also received Home Safe funds from the city of Roanoke that were funds that the city created out of ARPA funds. They're designated funds for specifically permanent supportive housing. Affordable housing is important because it is one of the best ways that our community can combat homelessness. I think that if you see rising homelessness, which we do, one of the best ways we can try to do better and lower those numbers is by creating more quality, safe, affordable housing. And that's what this project is doing. Restoration Housing is committed to creating safe, quality, affordable housing, being better landlords than most affordable housing options in the city. We want to make sure our tenants aren't cost burdened, which means they don't spend more than 30% of their income. And we do these projects out of love for the community to try to bring something beautiful back to the community and back to these buildings. The people that I think that work with the city have worked with us for years, so we have great relationships. They know what we're doing, they know the outcome of our work, and they know that we have high standards, so they're really supportive of our work, and I've found it to be a great partnership.